In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the agitator out of your washer. So in most top-load washers, there's an agitator. And there's three common versions. One that's a single vane agitator like this one. There's also a dual-stage agitator, and there's a wash plate. So in this one, we have a single stage, so we're just going to show you how to remove that. First thing we're going to do is remove the bleach dispenser, or fabric softener dispenser, and set it to one side. And then we're going to take our ratchet wrench and socket and remove the nut that secures the agitator to the transmission. So with the agitator bolt removed, all we need to do is to pull the agitator straight up off the agitator spline. And in this one, it just comes out very easy. If your agitator spline is in good condition, that should just lift right off.